Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Dabs. So today I am going to talk to you about the responsibilities of Salesforce Administrator. So Salesforce is one of the favored CRM tools available within the market today. It is an industry cloud ecosystem that has services for fixing a business's model successfully. From top MNCs to small startups, all make use of Salesforce services to handle their business problems. While using Salesforce, we had not to bother about the software and the hardware setup, maintenance and updates for the appliance. It is all maintained by Salesforce developers. So the presence of Salesforce helps us in focusing only on developing businesses, ideas and innovations instead of maintaining the technology. So also it is a multi-user distributed system where multiple clients can use the technology at the identical time. So Salesforce administrators are responsible for the task of helping users to develop the reports and reset the passwords to maintaining the data, quality, adding fields and running backups among many others. So here in this video we are going to tell you the responsibilities of a Salesforce administrator. Salesforce administrator is the one who takes care of using the available tools of Salesforce effectively, checks for the changes that require to be in hot water, making the business process effective, works because the main computer used for handling the work environment of Salesforce.com with multiple users, and it is the one who checks for restrictions on users' accounts for vital data accessibility, who takes care of the removal of redundancy and duplicity of users' accounts, who organizes the assessment, extension and conclusion of recent requests for development, who provides training to fresh users within the organizations to create them skilled for participating in Salesforce related processes, and who serves as the link connecting the appliance developers, business people and users, and also handles all the technological resources related to sales and therefore the feeding of the knowledge into Salesforce. The subsequent list details a number of the foremost relevant duties. The first is create the new users profiles and monitor access levels. Salesforce administrators are the gatekeepers of their employer's sales and marketing data. They create each user account and determine the right level of access supporting the employee's role within the corporate. When an employee is fired or leaves the corporate, it is the Salesforce administrator who must review their access credentials. The second thing is import new leads and the contacts. Salesforce administrator oversee the importations of the latest leads and the contacts on a daily basis. In large corporations, they develop a typical processes for this process that is to be followed by entry-level market researchers and data analysts. The third thing is about run deduplication tools. Duplication of data clogs up Salesforce and keeps it from running at full force. Salesforce administrators use deduplication tools like demand tools or ring result in scrub duplicate data from their database, a minimum of once every week. The fourth point is install the high priority updates from Salesforce.com. After a particular period, Salesforce automatically installs high priority updates, and so good Salesforce administrators install these updates as soon as possible. This permits them to check the update in controlled conditions to work out how it affects their system configurations. The another point is about run quarterly database maintenance reports. Salesforce administrators run many tests and reports to stay and remain active on the health of their database. This includes Apex tests, field utilizations reports, role by profile reports and several other counting on the wants of the one employer. Another point is create and maintain the archive for field industry tables. Salesforce administrators need to keep records that return a minimum of 12 months and preferably 18 months. This includes documenting all error reports and everyone changes to field history tables. And the last thing is address user issues as they arise. This broad duty encompasses every several tasks. Salesforce administrators are those who solve any problems users are having with Salesforce. They also educate employees on new updates and onboard new hires whose role involves access to Salesforce. So guys, that's all for now. If you are looking for a Salesforce consulting services, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.